Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the intensity of the rain has finally eased in the Providence metro area and Cranston. Still raining, but not nearly as heavy as it was earlier this afternoon. There are just copious amounts of rain hour after hour over that same area. It's starting to shift a little further to the south. Let's take a look at Doppler Radar, and we'll pretty much set the stage here. Of course, the yellow is moderate to heavy rain. And the areas in orange and red are some of the downpours and even some thunderstorms. I haven't seen much in the way of thunder, but in the Providence metro, easing up a little bit, still getting some rain, but 3, 4, 5, even 6 inches of rain from roughly Scituate to Providence and Cranston this afternoon, creating some of that flash flooding. We're starting to see, rainfall estimates from the Doppler radar. It's this very narrow zone right in here from roughly Scituate, the lower portion of 295, Cranston, Providence, right over Route 95 at the 95-195 split, Thurbers Ave right there, Route 6, Route 10. There's a little orange and dark brown area indicating amounts of 5 to 6 inches. It's like 2 months worth of rain in 4 hours, and the storm drains really can't handle that all at once. So the flash flood warning for the green polygon will continue until 7:30, even though the rain is eased in this area. Still have some standing water in some locations. Now starting to see the shift in some of the heavier rain on the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. This is Kent, so Providence is up in here. Kent, and now entering Washington County. So we're going to watch this area very closely as some of this heavier rain shifts a little further to the south with some additional flash flooding possible. The South Shore, Newport, Narragansett, Portsmouth, New Bedford have been relatively tranquil in terms of downpours, but even here, do expect some of the rain to be filling in this evening and during the overnight, with more later tonight and into Tuesday. And the reason why precipitation extends all the way back through New York State and Pennsylvania. Now, we're not talking about heavy rain every hour, but at times it will come down very hard, and the net result will be some of this localized street flooding as this all tracks off to the north and east very slowly. In Providence, the visibility has actually improved a little bit in that you can see the skyline now. So while it's raining, it's not quite as intense as it was earlier. And in New Bedford, you've been relatively tranquil. There's not much rain as of yet. Visibility is good, but even here you do have a flash flood watch. The area is shaded in green, pretty much the entire area. Watch meaning possibility or the potential that some rain may create some flooding, and of course where the flooding is occurring, you get upgraded to a flash flood warning. Temperatures on the very humid conditions now are in the mid to upper 60s, 66 in Providence. Threat tracker remains elevated the rest of this evening, tonight, and into at least Tuesday morning and potentially into the afternoon hours as well, as this precipitation extending back to our west. What we have is a stationary front, and because it's stationary, it means it's moving very slowly, and the focus along this front is some heavy downpours. The clearing and the drier air is still well back to our west. It actually doesn't really get in here until Wednesday afternoon, though later tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, precipitation should be light. But look how widespread it is overnight. This is midnight, taking you into tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. Still some rain for the morning commute, kids heading out to school. The afternoon hours, rain, and the yellow indicates heavy at times, potential for some localized flooding right on through early tomorrow evening, and then later tomorrow night, still raining, but the intensity really eases up. So caution traveling tonight right on through tomorrow. Heavy rain continues this evening. Rain heavy at times on Tuesday. Lingering light shower Wednesday morning. A cloudy start, improving in the afternoon, becoming partly sunny. And then the rest of the week is dry, brighter, and milder, Mike, as temperatures get back up into the upper 70s to near 80. But, now that it's nighttime, you can't see the standing water sometimes. You want to exercise some caution. Again, the flooding tends to be localized. Not every community gets it, but it's certainly a widespread rain and certainly a high-impact weather situation.
And if you're going to go out, please drive carefully.
Exactly. Easy on the gas pedal.
All right, Tony, thanks. And we continue tracking breaking news. Flash flooding across the greater Providence area. We'll have the latest tonight at 10 and 11.